Hi guys, in this video we're gonna go over the steps that we follow in order to set up the benchmark app inside your agency and start using the workflow. So let's get started. At the level for app marketplace, you search for the app benchmark. There you go. Click on it. We go at install. We select the sub account where we want the tool to be installed in. Let's go for sub account. So continue. Allow it install. You automatically open this new window in order to copy the custom menu link URL. So you copy. You make sure it's copied. Go back to the agency view to create a custom menu link. You go at settings, menu link, create new, you select, I can type the name, let's say benchmark. Here we paste the custom menu link URL that we copied. There you go. Sub account. So all and we save. Now we switch to sub account and we search for benchmark. There you go. Click on it, search benchmark. So you have the documentation. This is the comprehensive documentation that gives you all the steps to set up the tool. Here you have the tutorials, smart you guide that's going to show you how to get the credentials and the setup video. At the level of setup, you can check the status of the app. For example, you can notice not set up. In order to set it up, you just have to go at start setup and you provide a token. At the level of support, if you have a bug, you can create a ticket by filling a form and submit. Instantly, you're gonna be notified by email that the ticket has been created and the team started working on it. And finally, the changelog. It just keeps you up to date with the modifications on the apps that you guys installed. If you don't want to receive any anymore, just disable it. That's pretty much it, guys. If you ever have any problem, reach our support team, was available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. Thank you for watching.